Hello everyone, this is Charlie. Welcome to our Assortment Fireworks online launch. As we all know, Assortment Fireworks is one of the main products in the fireworks market. Due to the diversity of the product in the pack, the Assortment is the product most suitable for people of all age. Therefore, we Random Lantern Fireworks developed 12 new Assortment Fireworks for 2021 sales season. And today we prepared 3 example assortment to show you guys how amazing they are. Are you ready? Let's go on. First one, All For One. For the product name, that means we collect the best item we got to play in the one pack. The outer box is made by triple wall category paper and 300 gram whiteboard and the shrink film for packing. And this assortment includes 2 artillery shell, 17 small cakes, 10 fountain, 1 Roman candle, and 1 certain missile. Okay, let's see what we get inside. Okay, let's unboxing this assortment and take a look what we get inside. My knife. Yes. Oops. Okay, let's begin from the top and start on the left. There are 2 fountains, friendship flower with 2 different designs. It's the first one and the second one. The tube size is 0.75 inch. And the next, Capital Castle Fountain. And next, Coco Assortment Fountain packaging as 3x1 with the effect of red and green white stroke with crackling and whistling. And the next fountain, God Wish, with 3 different designs. It's the first one, and the second one. And the third one. And the next, Dakota Notion, is 17 shortcakes with 2 different designs. It's the first one and the second one here. Next, 0902 Dancing Butterfly. It's also fountain with the effect of white cracks and red, green, yellow wood wine And the tube size is 0.6 inch. And then next, Bravo! 9 shortcakes with 3 different designs. The first one, and the second one, and the third one. Pyro together. 7 shortcakes with 3 different designs as well. This is the first one. And this is the second one. And this is the third one. Yeah, amazing. Next, Garden and Spring. 7 shortcakes with hexagon shape. A red lantern traditional product with a new version. And the next, Tough Guy. 10 shortcakes with hexagon shape as well. And the next, 100 short Sultan missile. Yeah. Really cool product, right? And next, Happy. 39 short cakes with traditional design. Happy Joker. 7 short cakes with 2 different designs. It's the first one. And the second one. Okay, let's move on. There is a 5 balls Roman candle. 3 pieces of 5 balls Roman candle here. As a final, the rest of product are traditional product of red lantern fireworks with traditional design. I think some of you guys has already seen this product in the market. HN6A traditional fountain, Cloud Dragon, Big Snow, and Green Bamboo. And the Cloud Dragon as well. Finally, 2 artillery shell, W151B and W151A. Let's see inside. And there is a 6 share the one box. And for the W151A, also 6 share inside. Okay. Let's move on to the next assortment. Wow, super load with a cover and tray carton and really powerful design. So I'm gonna take away the cover and take a look inside for this assortment. This assortment including 10 small cakes, 13 fountains, 4 Roman candles, 1 artillery shell, 1 salted miso, and 2 boxes of sparklers. Let's start from the top as well. Jade flower, a small fountain. There's 4 we are packaging in the one box. And the third one. And the final one. Next, Tiger Fury. It's also fountain and a really amazing design with the tiger face. That's one. The second one. Next, Happy Fountain. Yeah, with a square shape. Okay, there's a 6-inch cone fountain. With 2 different designs. Golden flower. Also fountain with a square shape. And next, 69 shorts color poles flowers, also refers as cake. And the next one, flower crown. Also, it's fountain. Next, there's a 2 box of sparkles, and for each box, there's 6 pieces in the box. And same as the last assortment, and this assortment also includes the fountain, friendship flower with two different designs. Number 1 and the number 2. And the cake, Pyro together, 7 shots with the two different designs. Northern, 7 shot as well with the two different designs. Number 1, number 2. Happy! Yeah. 36 shot cake. And Bravo with two different designs. It's a nice short cakes. And the 100 shot certain missile. In the HN168 traditional fountain, Cloud Dragon, Yellow Bee, Green Bamboo, and the Big Snow. And there's a field lift. Also has fountain. Happy Joker. Whoop. 7 shot cakes. And also 5-ball Roman candle. 3-piece 5 balls Roman candle. And the final one, arterial shell. And also 6 shell inside. It is amazing, right? Okay, let's move on to the next assortment. Let's see the next assortment. Oh, we have Pyro. This assortment, I guess, it is more suitable play in your backyard due to the prototypes and quantity. And this assortment includes 9 fountain, 8 cakes, 2 southern missile, 2 artillery shell, and 1 Roman candle. Okay, let's take away the cover and have a look for inside. Okay, let's begin from the top. First one, 9-inch assault fountain. So 4 packaged as 4x1. And also there is a friendship flower, Bravo, and additional fountains, Cloud Dragon, and Green Bamboo. And there's a color pose, 48 shots. And 25 shot shuttle missile. And 12 shots with dancing silver ball. And there's jade flowers, also refers as fountain. It also have a happy 36 shots. And the garden and spring, 7 shot cakes with the 2 different designs. And the Happy Joker, with 2 different designs, 7 shot cakes. And 100 shots shuttle missile. And they also have a 2 arterial shell, and also 6 shell inside for each box. Besides, they have a sniper, color snipe. In the 100 shot Roman candle. Look at this beautiful design. We also have other assortment fireworks in our Red Lantern Fireworks website. For example, Childhood Memory, Shining Star, Toy World, Flying Flower, and Crown Glory, and the Backyard Treasure Chest, Air Forte, and Air Force. So if you have any interesting assortment in our website, please leave your message on our website. So I will see you in next video. Bye bye.